Hi there, I'm Justine Warwick and this is Leanne Perilly and we formed the Beauty Club. As you may be aware, we're going to be running 3 masterclasses between now and the end of the year. One is perfect foundation and glowing skin and the other is smoky eyes and party looks. So we thought we would give you some more information about what you can expect to get from those masterclasses. So Leanne, I thought it might be a good idea if you could explain some of the topics we're going to be going through, maybe starting with the foundation class.
We're going to be showing you how to prep your skin so that you get a glowing complexion and for flawless makeup application that's going to last the duration of your day or your occasion. We're also going to be looking at primer. Do you need a primer? And what benefit will it be for you and what it's going to do for your makeup, and then how to apply foundation to get a beautiful flawless finish. We're going to be looking at formulas, products, what's going to work best for you.
I think there's so many products out there on the market now that it's really difficult to know what's going to be best for you and for your particular skin type. So we're going to be there to help you, or to help demystify all of that. So it's a very interactive class, so you'll be able to ask questions and often the group will share information amongst themselves, won't they? So
definitely,
you're guaranteed to leave with a lot of information and new techniques to try.
And we want you to have a go so you can actually experience it for yourselves, and so then you can recreate your looks at home.
That's right. So if you'd like to go ahead and book, what are the booking details?
Go on to leanneperilly.co.uk, look for the Beauty Club Masterclasses. The Perfect Foundation and Glowing Skin is the 26th of October, so you can book your place there.
Hope to see you there.
Bye. Bye.